This is a simple video tutorial on how to deposit funds on your Moonshot app. Now, if you have created Moonshot account and you don't know how to deposit, I'm going to show you how to do that. If you haven't created Moonshot account, the link will be in the description of this video. So you can actually create a Moonshot account. Moonshot is a platform that allows you to buy and sell SOLANA meme coins easily. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that. For you to register, the link will be in the description. Now, for you to deposit, the first thing you need to do is just to click on holdings. Once you click on holdings, you select the option of deposit. Once you click on deposit, now there are different deposit options. Now, by default, what you can see in my screen right now is me using cryptocurrency to deposit. But you can actually use different options depending on the country you are watching. Some people are allowed to use Apple Pay, PayPal, and different other payment options. But if you click on that crypto option, you see other payment option there. You can see the option of credit card and debit card, bank transfer, Coinbase, and PayPal. Now, depending on your country, determine the option that you'll be seeing. But me, for my country, I can only deposit using crypto. Now, you can also see other options there. But remember, if you use any other third-party platform to deposit money in Moonshot platform, you will be doing KYC. So all I need to do is just to select crypto. I'll select crypto. Right now, I've already selected crypto. Now, all I need to do is to send USDC, not USDT, send USDC to this wallet. Now, you can see the wallet right there. All you need to do is just to copy it. Once you copy it, you go to Bybit, Binance, or BitGet, or any of the centralized exchange that you are using to send your USDC across to this app. So let me go to BitGet and send over USDC to this platform. I'm on BitGet right now. All I need to do is just to head over to Assets. I click on Withdraw because I already have the USDT on my spot account. So once I do that, I select USDC. Then I click on On-Chain Withdrawal. Then I paste my address. This is where I select my network. My network is supposed to be Solana. Then I paste in my address. Once I do that, I have to put the amount of USDC I want to send. In this case, I want to send everything. Then I click on withdraw, click on confirm. This is me putting my verification information. So let me go ahead and put in all my verification. I have successfully withdrawn my USDC to Moonshot app. All I need to do is just to give it a few minutes and the USDC will be successfully deposited on my Moonshot app. Here is the funds that I just deposited on my Moonshot. All I need to do right now is to go ahead and start buying and selling Solana meme coins. If you got value in this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification. See you in another video.